Hi folks, we're inside the Allendale at the moment and I will show you how to fold the table down, turn it from a dining area into a sleeping space. So firstly we grab this table here, it's easy to pop it up onto the bed and it has a spring lever here, so we'll just flip that around and then we put that on the floor. And the trailer will have this slat of timber and there's a lip that's around the side here. So we sit that on there and then we turn the table around. And that will slide in there and then you'll have two extra cushions, which are these two, and they will sit side by side into this space. And now you have a nice comfortable space for adults to lounge around or extra kids to sleep.